she doing? This girl is tripping. Feeling tipsy, hun. Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. We have such a cute, amazing Shein unboxing here right now. We have some purses that are unlike any other. They're wacky, they're crazy, they're different, they're fun. I think you all are gonna really like this Shein haul. And if you don't already know, hello, hi, my name is Samantha and that is what I do here. I do Shein hauls, unboxing, purse reviews, things like that. If you're into fashion, if you're into that kind of content, hit me up, press that subscribe button. Also, like the video because it helps me out in this YouTube world, y'all, all right? Let's get into the first bag. Hey, Mr. Krabs, we got this cute freaking Mr. Krabs bag. Like, where am I going? I know where I'm going. I'm going to San Pedro with this Mr. Krabs bag. Okay, y'all. He is just a little crab, just chilling, happy to chill with you on your shoulder, okay? Oh my God, look at him. Look at this little guy right here. He is so cute. I love that it's a shoulder strap and it's also a handle like right here just to hold on your arm. And then let's open him up here, okay? Because, oh, he is open. Yes, this is a real bag, y'all. This is a real freaking bag. This is Mr. Krabs out here, y'all. He is so cute. Guess how much I paid for him? $13.83. Are y'all kidding me right now? He is so cute. I'm taking him to San Pedro, y'all. Let's get on to the next. Look at this popcorn bucket of a bag we got here. Is there popcorn inside of here? Because that would be the cutest thing. Imagine popping your own popcorn, putting some on inside, carrying it into the movie theater like this, and then just start eating out of your purse. People gonna be like, what is she doing? Y'all, this is the freaking cutest little bag I have ever seen. Look at the gold little strap here that we have that goes right over your shoulder. I mean, how cute is this bag? Let's open it up because this is for real, y'all. Look at that. I put some popcorn. I put my snacks in there. I'm gonna be eating like this out of the popcorn bucket purse, y'all. This is for real, y'all. And guess how much I got this for? $8.24. Y'all, this is the cutest thing I have seen in a long time. Y'all, get yourself some popcorn bucket bags. Let's get on to the next. Y'all, if you weren't into popcorn bucket bags, let's say hello to Cup of Noodles, okay? Okay, because they got everything for you. They got your cup of noodles. They got your pizza. They got your popcorn. I mean, are you serious? Look at this bag. Okay, cup ramen. It says cup ramen here at the top. It even has your calorie count in the back on this bag. Are y'all serious right now? Okay, y'all, it comes with the strap. It's all ready to go. Let's open it up. Is there some ramen in here? Oh my Lord, y'all. Like, imagine. I can't even. This is actually hilarious. Imagine I just like do a prank. Oh my God. Speaking of that, I should totally do a prank. Put some real top ramen in here and just start eating out of the purse and see what my daughter says. Like, what? I don't know, y'all. These are funky. These are hella funny. All right, y'all. What did I pay? $20.36 I paid for this cup of noodle purse. Like, this is the cutest freaking thing I have seen though, y'all. Let's get on to the next. So here we have like this giraffe bag. I think this one is really cute. Actually, somebody I know did a painting like very similar to this bag. And it just reminds me of that painting. So I had to get this bag. This is a huge bag, y'all. This is like a bag that you take, you know, to the grocery store or something like that. But I just really like the style of it. Look how like the neck is the handles right here, like the neck of the giraffe. That's really cute. And then the little baby giraffe. It's on both sides as well. It's just a big plastic, you know, grocery style type of bag, y'all. But I got this one for $6.26. Okay, y'all, I had to show y'all this one. This one is so cute. I'm going grocery shopping with this. All right, y'all, let's get on to the next. Okay, this one is one of my favorite bags. We got the lipstick poppin' bag right here. Like, I am going out with this lipstick bag. You know what I'm trying to say? Look how cute this lipstick is. Like, are you serious right now? Like, I'm legit. Like, I'm going out with this bag. People are gonna be like, this girl is tripping. My man is gonna be like, hey, I like your bag. I do like weird bags like this, y'all. For real, for real. This is freaking cute as heck. You just pop it open. Just pop it open. Yes, look at that. Okay, so love this. This is so cute. Y'all, this is some good material right here. Like, we out here. This thing ain't gonna break. I'm putting all my stuff in here. I'm going out with this lipstick bag. Okay, y'all, this one is so cute. What did I pay? $12.56 for this lipstick bag, y'all. This is the cutest thing I have seen on Shein. How freaking cute. Let's get on to the next. Y'all, watch out while you're walking on that runway because we got this little catwalk in progress, okay? This is the cutest little caution bag that I have seen. Like, are you serious? I love, even look at this, how the strap is. I love the silver strap right here. This is actually really, really cute. And let's get up here onto the inside. Here's the inside. This is really cute, y'all. I ain't even gonna be playing. This is fun as heck. Okay, so for this one, $11.07 for this little caution bag right here. How cute is this though? These are so different. These are so fun. Catwalk in progress. Not only that, she about to fall, y'all. She is about to fall. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's get on to the next. Hello? Like, are you serious right now? This is the cutest phone bag that I have seen in a long time. Imagine if it was Bluetooth, then that would actually be super, super awesome if it was Bluetooth. But it's really freaking cute. There are actual, like, little buttons, not real buttons, but there's like actual look-alike, you know, like 3D popping out here buttons right here on this bag. How cute is that? But wait, what makes it even better? This actually goes all the way up, y'all. Like, I'm gonna be out here like, hello, talking on my cell phone and stuff. Like, what? This is so freaking funny. Here's the strap right here. You just put it on over and you got your little bag just hanging off your shoulder. You got a little phone hanging off your shoulder, like a little phone bag. This is I love bag. Yes, I do. I love bag. What? Oh my gosh, y'all. When I saw this, I said, what? Okay, here's the inside. Okay, wait, this could actually be used as like a little makeup bag, y'all. If you didn't use it as a purse, it could be like a little makeup bag that you packed with all of your things for a little trip or something. Wait, this is so cute. How much did I pay for this one? Okay, $10.63 for this cute little purse. I can't, y'all. Let's get on to the next. Oh my God, are you serious right now? Look how cute this little sweet tart bag is. This is one of my favorite ones. So on the front, it says sweet girl. Yes, girl, sweet tarts. Let's get it. I love how the details are right here on the end of the bag. This is the cutest freaking bag ever. Here's the inside of the bag as well. Oh my God, this one is one of my favorites. I ain't even playing, y'all. Like, I love this bag so much. If y'all see me out and about with this little sweet girl bag, yes, girl, that is what I'm talking about. I'm going to movie theaters. I'm putting all my snacks in this bag. Okay, this bag I paid, okay, $17.03 for this little sweet tart of a bag. This is so freaking cute, y'all. Let's get on to the next. Y'all, we having a pizza party up in here. This is the cutest little pizza bag I have seen ever. Well, I've never even seen a pizza bag before until today. Look at the hearts. Look at that. Okay, this one my sister would love. She is obsessed with pizza. She loves pizza. I think she would love this bag. Here is the inside. You could put a lot of things in here, okay? You could use it as a diaper bag. Put some diapers in there or something. You know what I mean? This is the cutest little pizza bag ever. Also, they are very well made, y'all. Like, these are thick, durable bags. Look at the strap. The strap is nice. This is the cutest freaking pizza purse. Hey, they need to add a breadstick with this bag. You know what I'm trying to say? Add me a dang breadstick with this bag. Okay. So this pizza bag, $27.06. Y'all, I am dead. This is the funniest thing ever. Let's get on to the next. Are you freaking kidding me? We got a Capri Sun popping bag up in this biatch. What? We got a real straw sticking out of this. Y'all, this is Tipsy Hun. Feeling tipsy, hun. Okay, guaranteed good time, girl. Cherry martini? Oh my Lord. Enjoy responsibly. Y'all be out here, really, Shein, be out here. Yes, okay, let's get on the inside. That is so cute. Oh, there's like just stuff inside of there. Y'all, this bag is so freaking cute. Okay, you know what? Some of these bags remind me of like Betsy Johnson type of vibes. You know how Betsy Johnson has like really fun, exquisite type of bags? That's what these bags remind me of, just on a very good, you know, if you're on a budget or something like that, these are a steal. These are a good deal. You know what I'm trying to say? A good deal and a steal. Yo, let's go Capri Sun. How much did I pay for this Capri Sun? $20.10 for this Capri Sun. This one is so freaking cute, y'all. Let's get on to the next. Don't even play with me with this potato chip bag right here, okay? All I need is some salt and vinegar and I will be a happy gal, because salt and vinegar chips are my favorite. Okay, so this one is so cute. How fun is this Lay's potato chip bag? Like, are you serious? Like, where am I going with this? This is so freaking funny. So the material is like that. What? Let's get here. Okay, so we got a zip up in here. It's just cute. This is fun. I really like this one. This is really, really cute. Just a basic little fun little Lay's chip bag. Like, I'm gonna put some chips in there. I'm gonna just start eating out. People are gonna be looking like, what is this girl tripping on? Okay. Oh my word. Potato chip bag, $2.99. Y'all, that is not bad. Don't even play with me. That's not bad. Do it like as a prank. All I can think about is like doing a bunch of pranks with this one. All right, y'all, let's get on to the next. Hello, banana. Okay, we got this cute little banana popping right here. This is like a little change purse or something like that. You know what I mean? You could just see me out and about carrying it on my hand, walking around, just chilling with the banana hanging from my damn hand, y'all. I can't even. Okay, let's open the banana up. Yes, y'all, we just got this like elastic little banana guy right here, okay? This is freaking funny. How much did I pay for this? $1.76 for this banana purse, y'all. Don't be mad at me when you see me out hanging with the banana, getting my change out of here to go pay for some Pepsi. You know what I'm trying to say? This is the cutest little thing ever. Let's get on to the next. Y'all, don't play with me with some milk carton, especially a strawberry milk. Are you freaking kidding? Strawberry milk purse. Like, don't even play with me. Not only that though, but it has the nutrients facts on the side of the bag. Like, what? How many carbs is in here, y'all? Okay, it's see-through back here. I like that. Oh, one thing about all of these bags that's really cool, you can get them into concerts and things like that because they're so small. This is so freaking cute, y'all. This is durable. These are durable bags. Look at the inside here. I'm just gonna close it on up. I don't want no more strawberry milk, so I'm gonna close you up. Okay, we have the strap right here, a little shoulder strap that goes right here on the side. Y'all, what is this? What is this? It's pink. I like that it's pink. Okay, how much did I pay for this? Oh my word, I paid $11.67. Not too bad, y'all. All right, let's get on to the next. Oh, this one is a good one. Okay, so this is like a knockoff of a bag out there that I have seen that is actually, is it Balenciaga? I can't recall, but there's a brand out there that makes these kind of bags, and I saw this on Shein and I said I got to get me one because this is the freaking cutest thing ever. What is this? Okay, y'all, this is so freaking cute. I don't know, man, but I am loving these bags. Look at the inside here. Love that. This is also a very, very soft material. It does come in other colors that I saw. Here's the shoulder adjustable shoulder strap right here as well. This one is so freaking cute, y'all. I love this bag. Okay, how much did I get this? The shirt design bag, $17.40. How cute is that? Don't even play with me, y'all. Let's get on to the next. This is the cutest little Barbie bag that I have seen, but honestly, I ordered it because I was legit, like, I really love this bag. I didn't know it was gonna be this small. Like, what? This thing is smaller than my dang big head. Like, this is so small, but it is so cute. Look at the little pearls right here, up here on the handle. It says Barbie right here. I love the little lock right here to open and close it up. Y'all, this is so small. Oh, my niece would love this. This is so freaking cute. Honestly, if it was bigger, I would have kept it. Ain't even gonna play, even gonna lie. This is the cutest bag. Okay, how much did I get this Barbie bag? $14.78. Y'all, don't play with me. This is so freaking cute. It even comes, like, look, it even says Barbie. Well, you know, Shein does have a lot of Barbie product right now. Okay, this one is so cute, but so small, y'all. Let's get on to the next. Okay, Miss Marilyn Monroe. This is the one my daughter said, Mom, I really like that purse. I said, okay, it's yours, girl. It is yours. Yes, look at this cute little Marilyn Monroe bag. I love that. It's very classic. This one is very, very cute. I do love these thick pearls up here. I love that so much. This is the inside of the bag as well. Here's the back and the bottom. It is a good structural purse. $12.78. Please, this one is so cute. Really, really like this one. All right, let's get on to the next. Who called for a sandwich, y'all? Because we got the bread, we got the egg. All we need is the ham and the cheese. You know what I'm trying to say? Like, what is this? This is a legit combo bag, y'all. It came together. We got the toast and the egg. Let's check out the toast bag first, y'all. We got the toast. Oh my word. Let's open this bag up. This is the inside of the toast bag, y'all. Look at this little bag here. I ain't even playing with this bag. This is fun as heck. Okay, then we got some eggs up in here, y'all. We have a little egg bag, but look at the little string. Like, this is really cheap right here, y'all, but this is hilarious. Even on the back. Is this sunny side up? Because this looks like a sunny side up made bag. A sunny side up. Yeah, it's a freaking sunny side up egg purse. Like, what? This is so cute, y'all. But how funny. Like, where would you be wearing this type of stuff to? Hold up. Okay, this one together. Oh my word. $14.68. Hilarious, y'all. Let's get on to the next. Ozzy Osbourne. Y'all, hello, we got this gorgeous freaking guitar bag. Okay, this is funny as heck, y'all. What would even be more like cooler is if it actually made sound. Wouldn't that be cool if it made sound? But look how detailed this bag is, y'all. These are really funny bags, but I know that there is like a gang of people out there that would totally collect or wear these bags to like certain events, like for real, for real. This one is so cute. I mean, look at the detail of the strap here. Like, this is for real cute. Look, it says rock right there, y'all. Not Krishan Rock, just rock and roll, y'all. Okay, it has a zipper here on the back. Can't really do much with that zipper. Maybe put some change in there. But yes, this bag opens up. There's a lot of room in this bag. This is a detailed bag, y'all. This is big. Okay. Oh yeah, $30.83 for this guitar bag. Don't even play with me, y'all. Wow. Y'all, what did you think about this haul? This was the most like craziest, randomest haul that I have done so far, but actually really fun. It got me cracking up this whole entire haul. My daughter likes a few of the purses. I like a few of them as well. Let me know which one was your favorite. Don't forget to like this video because it's fun and it's free. And don't forget to subscribe if you're into this type of fun content, unboxing and try on hauls and things like that, y'all. Other than that, I will see y'all in the next video. Peace out.